Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be featuring my version of the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessories. Now, you may have seen this bag come out a few years ago and all of the hype that surrounded it, and actually it wasn't this exact bag. Louis Vuitton released a bag called the multi-pochette accessories. And it basically was 5 pieces. There was the larger pochette, there was the smaller pochette, there was a chain that would hook to the smaller pochette, and then a crossbody strap or shoulder strap, depending on how you have it adjusted, that is a thick webbed strap. And so you can see that this is not that, but this is Louis Vuitton. And what I have done is I have this smaller pouch, which is the mini pochette. It's slightly smaller in width than the smaller pouch on the multi-pochette. And the same is true for this piece, which is the pochette accessories. You can still buy both of these pieces from Louis Vuitton, but not in this print because they stopped making it in the Damier Ebene print for some reason. And they never made the multi-pochette accessories in the Damier Ebene print. So if you want a vachetta-free multi-pochette accessories, your best option is to make your own like I did. And if you want this combo, you're going to probably have to find it pre-loved at this point, unless Louis Vuitton releases something in the near future that I am not aware that they're creating at this point. What I wanted to do today is talk to you about how I created this look and show you what fits inside and how it looks on me. I used it for the first time at the Kansas City Royals game on Saturday, and it was amazing. I'm telling you, it was great. They allow a 9x5 bag. And so I knew I could bring this piece, but I couldn't bring anything bigger. And so I kind of worried about this part, but figured I could take it out and stick it in my husband's pocket if they gave me any trouble, because really it's about a wallet size anyway. But they didn't care. They were totally fine with having the two clipped together as long as neither one was bigger than the 9x5. I have clipped these two bags together using this little extender chain right here from Dress Up Your Purse, and they are a great company. I have a couple of their products. I have been enjoying them. I showed you their cotton webbed strap that I bought to go with several of my bags, and I'll link the video down below, and also the tassel. Their tassels are amazing. But I bought this piece on my own after seeing it on Autumn Beckman's channel, and I just haven't used it to this point. I mean, I've had it for months, but I haven't used it. So I wanted to show you what it looked like in action. Oh, and by the way, this strap goes to the favorite MM. I had one of those in the Damier Ebene at one point, and I sold it, but I was able to order a replacement strap since it was on my Louis Vuitton purchase history, and I think this strap cost me like $60. But you can get straps almost identical to this from Dress Up Your Purse, as well as many other websites. So check this out. Is that not adorable? I mean, the bag hangs just perfectly. The chain is the chain that came with the mini pochette, so it drapes across the front, and it really is jewelry. And the hardware on the clips for the extender matches the Louis Vuitton hardware so well. Buy your own strap from wherever you may pick. Dress Up Your Purse or Motto has them, Organize My Bag has them. You can get one that doesn't have this looping mechanism for attachment, but I had this one and it is genuine Louis Vuitton, so I'm going with the looping, and it sort of adds an extra little detail to the bag. The other thing you may notice is I have a little O-ring here to hook these two pieces together. On the Dress Up Your Purse website, I don't believe they recommend that, but I did find that the bag hangs really nicely with that little detail. Plus, it's easier to take it apart. So if you want to take the strap off and just leave the bag sitting together like this, it's easy to do that. So let me show you what I have inside this bag. This little mini pochette holds so much. And you can create this look if you want with the Nolitas from Coach, because I believe that there is a size very similar to the pochette accessories, and I think this is about the size of a Nolita 15 if I remember correctly. So I have a hand sanitizer, I have an AirPods case, and I have a hair tie. I have my keys. I've got a pouch. I have a couple of loose cards and my ID. And lastly, I have a comb, a feminine product, and my Tide to Go stick. So I have a lot in this little bag. And look how nicely that all fits in there. There's absolutely no distortion either. And if there is, all I have to do is just smoosh it a little bit and I can get it so where it doesn't have any. Inside the bigger bag, I have a little pouch, and I've switched to a smaller pouch. This is looking a little bit old, but this is a Clinique pouch. I've got some lip products. I have nail glue. I've got floss, nail files, nail clippers, a sunglass screwdriver kit, a chapstick, and a concealer. So I fit a lot in that little tiny pouch. And you can see it's jam-packed full, and since it's Clinique, I really don't care if it's distorted. I also have sunscreen, just a little tube in here. And rather than carrying a credit card holder or card holder, I put my cards in these two slip pockets. This organizer is from Suni Bag and Bag on Etsy, and I can link her page, but she's great. This was the one for the multi-pochette accessories. I have the largest pouch of that particular bag, and it fits in this one too, even though this one's half an inch roughly shorter than that one, and it's also slightly wider than that one. It still fits great. Then there's also a slip pocket here inside, and I have just a few odds and ends there as well. So with all of that, my phone will slide in there just perfectly. And I'll enter this phone case to demonstrate. So see, I've got my phone in there now, or the phone case that is. And again, no distortion. It looks perfect. So I'm able to fit absolutely everything I need, really, for a daily basis. I haven't eliminated anything except for I condensed my pouch into a smaller one, but all the items are still in my bag. And as far as the card cases go, I normally would carry 3, but I'm using the pockets for those cards instead. So I can get everything in there, and I think it looks super cute this way. I mean, the chains just add bling, really. And this is the added chain right there. See, look, very blingy. And if you do have this bag, this one, it comes with a shoulder strap that's exactly like this. The same type of attaching mechanism on that end, and this bag works great on the shoulder too. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to link this, just in case you already have the parts. Well, I'll link the Dress Up Your Purse website, but I'll put in the description what this is called so you can search for it easily if you have the pieces to make this bag. This is a gorgeous combo. I absolutely love it. I would recommend doing this now that I have tried it, and I think it's so cool that you can basically take a little bit larger bag into a sporting event than you otherwise would have been able to by fastening 2 smaller bags together. I'm Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos and content. Follow me on Instagram as well. My name is the same there. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife. Easy peasy. So take care and have a fabulous day. I will talk to you real soon. Bye.